Royal Arc Group presents Nature's Temple Homes. India. Karnataka. Mulki. Mangalore Airport, 23 kilometers. Mulki Railway Station, 4.8 kilometers. Sri Venkat Ramana Temple, 1 kilometer. Vijay College, 0.8 kilometers. Backwater Bridge, 0.4 kilometers. National Highway 66, 0.3 kilometers. Bappanadu Temple, 0.15 kilometers. Backwaters, 0.2 kilometers. Nature's Temple Homes by Royal Arc Group, 1.5 lakh square feet. Nature's Temple Homes, the first premium residential towers project in Mulki, Mangalore. Your conversation with nature starts now. The world of unlimited nature is around us. The magic begins as you enter this abode of nature and stays with you forever. Open up the arms, take a deep breath, and let the magic carry you to a new world. The world of unlimited nature. Security facilities. Security cabin at the entrance of the building. CCTV surveillance for the compound of the building. Water sprinklers in common areas. Monitored access within the complex. Well-planned emergency exit in case of fire. 2 staircases for each wing. Luxury penthouse, 3.5 BHK, Duplay flats. The home should be the treasure chest of living. The family is one of nature's masterpieces. The windows here are open to nature, breeze and bliss. If you love the sun and the sea, the beach is the right destination for you. Premium 2 BHK flats. A piece of nature, crafted for luxury. Opulent luxury and blooming lifestyle. Spacious 1 BHK flats. Life demands more in its every detail. Silence is the sound that nature communicates with. General amenities and security systems. Double height grand entrance lobby with front desk. Solar power for general lighting. Pipe gas supply provision and concealed wiring. Tube well, RO plant and storage tank for continuous water supply. Viewing deck, balcony with every flat. 2 high-speed elevators for passenger and stretcher in each wing. 100% power backup generator for lift. Common area lights and electric water pump. Intercom facility for better security, acrylic paint on external walls, earthquake-resistant building, and anti-termite treatment for the entire building. Attractive elevation for the building by reputed architect, concrete paving around the building, ample parking, servants Watchman toilet facility at ground level, in-house sewage treatment plant and recycle water flushing, rainwater harvesting. Multi-purpose hall for yoga, parties, etc. with vitrified flooring and putty finished walls. Open to sky, multi-purpose sports court, actual size badminton, mini volleyball, mini basketball. A dream space between heaven and nature. The location has the unique advantage of being very close to the backwaters. Offers an enviable environment for peaceful and pollution-free living. Golden opportunity for you to stay and spend time with nature. A project by Royal Arc Infra Private Limited.